Alright, let's work on our multiplication facts here, bud. So what multiplication fact is this?
2 times 2.
And that's how much?
4.
Okay. And you knew this was exactly the same as this one, right?
Yes.
That's what that means when that's covered up?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you wrote 2 times 2 equals 4 on the back side of that. And it's on your multiplication chart right there. 2 times 2 equals 4. Alright, what's this one?
5 times 5. No, 5 times 2.
Which is?
10.
Alright, so you knew that one pretty quick. So we'll put that in your known side. Alright, now here's part of set B. Now this is an array. So what multiplication fact do you see here?
3 times 6.
3 times 6. How much is that?
18.
Okay, how did you know that?
I did it in my head.
Okay. Do you see the coloring part here?
The shaded?
Shaded part? Yeah, how many's on that shaded part?
9.
And the other side?
9.
Okay.
So that would be 9 times 2.
Yeah, so 9 times 2 has the same product as
6
times
times
3. Good. So did you feel good about that one? Were you fast enough with that one? Do you want that on your known side or your not known side?
Known side.
Okay. You're pretty comfortable with that one then?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, how about this one?
It could be 4 times 3 or 6 times 2.
Yeah, it could be. So since this is set B, we'll do the 3 times 4. How much is that?
12.
12. Right. Okay, you're pretty automatic with that one. So let's take a look at this one. Now this one's a 10 frame. What multiplication fact is this?
6 times 7?
Yes, 6 times 7. Do you know that one off the top of your head?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
Can I help you out a bit?
Yeah.
How about the top line?
Oh, 6 times 5.
How much is that?
30.
30. Okay, and then the bottom part
6 times 2?
equals,
12.
so you have 12 plus
30, which equals 42.
so 6 times 7 equals,
42.
okay, so you have that answer down. We'll get it written on the back. And then we're going to put this in the not known pile because you didn't answer it real quick. Okay, we want to get faster with that one, so we'll put that over in the not known side. Okay, how about this one?
6 times 9.
Okay. How can you come up with that product?
I can do it in my head.
Okay. What's another way you can use this? How can you use the 10 frame to come up with your answer?
You could cover it up and do 6 times 5 equals 30. And 6 times 4 would,
6 times 4 is what? Okay, well, let's try it a different way. All right. What if we had the whole 10 frame? See that little X there? What if I cover that up and I think, hey, there's a 6 there. So that would be 6 times...
9.
Well, the whole thing is 6. This
well,
is 6
that's
times
9.
9. But if I had another 6 there, it would be 6 times
10.
10. How much is that?
60.
60. So what if I just take away that 6? So 60.
That'd be 54.
Yeah, 60 minus 6. Good job.